Hello, my name is Matt. I'm the creator of NewGem Sushi Wraps. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Kiwi dragon roll using our mango sushi wrap. For this recipe, you will need 1 NewGem mango sushi wrap, cut strawberries, sliced pineapple or banana, sliced kiwi, sweetened condensed milk, and sushi rice. Additionally, you will need a bowl of water to wet your hands. Sushi rice is very sticky. If you would like, you can also use a bamboo roller. If you opt to do this, we recommend wrapping it in plastic wrap to prevent rice sticking everywhere. When making sushi rice, be sure to check out our sushi rice video for an easy to follow along recipe. Link is in the description. To start this recipe, we will place the NewGem mango sushi wrap shiny side down. One advantage of NewGem sushi wraps is you actually don't even need a roller. Then wet your hands and scoop roughly a half a cup of rice to place on the wrap. Place the rice on the NewGem sushi wrap and spread as demonstrated. Next, arrange the ingredients. Make sure to distribute them evenly and to not overstuff the roll. Then simply wet the edge, roll tightly, and slice your sushi roll. Here's one of my tips. Go slow. Use your fingers to hold the ingredients in the center of the roll, and then you can roll tightly, and you'll be good to go. And there you have it. That's how you make our Kiwi dragon roll using our mango sushi wrap. Be sure to check out our other recipe videos, and to stay up to date on everything NewGem, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Enjoy!